You are going to love the 2018 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.